Hello guys, my name is Mitul and here I am going to show you how to recover your Instagram account if you did it from your Facebook account, so you can recover your account with easy steps. So first I'm going to go on the screen and I just tap Instagram. You can see there's login screen over here. Just tap here your mail ID. It does not belong to this account, so you need to type full. So you just need to go to the reset password and then just type your account number and your hand doesn't match with the account, so sorry, my bad. So they have sent one email to your mail or important. So you can go here and reset password and just type a new password and your account will be logged in. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.